quickly. Simply, Certly. Electrical certification software without the BS. How to use the calendar. From the sidebar, select Calendar. Here, you can add either an event or a job. Let's add an event. Click Add New at the top right and select Event. You can use events for tasks, reminders, meetings, or anything else you need to keep track of. Click Save, and your event will be added to the calendar. Now let's add a job. Click Add New again and select Job. Enter your client name, location, title for the job, job status, and date. You can also add a description if you want. Click Save, and the job will appear in your calendar. To manage a job, simply click on it in the calendar. From here, you can add attachments. To edit the job details, click on the pencil on the top right corner. And now you can select the certificate types for that job in the section below. Press Done. Then click Start Certificate at the top right to start completing it. Download our free app.